Green flag is up. Seconds before the opening gate.
Green flag is up. 15 second board. 5 seconds.
Here we go! May mga jump start. Let's see, sino na muna?
Dylan. Gataon siya.
Dylan!
Okay, Dylan.
I think from the stable of Bornok, Bangosong. Dylan Fabian. Nangunguna, followed by number 23. Number 23 is Gekale. Gekale.
137 Sumali.
Clearing that double.
Third and RD Manilo.
Dito talaga sila sa roller sections. Roller sections, even adult rider is having a hard time here. So, if a 65 rider, masaulado na lang to. Everything is dialed in. Kakainin niya lang lahat ng magiging kalaban niya. Oy, is that Mig Tabausares challenging? Number 23, Dylan Fabian, followed by number 23, Gekale pa rin. Gekale. So, Dylan, followed by Gekale. Let's see kung sino third.
So, abangan natin magpaka ngayon ni Fabian with Rael Buok.
Rael Buok. Sino kaya? Anong number kaya ni Rael Buok?
Okay, calling all beginner. Production, yun lang ang tinawag natin kanina.
Wow.
Okay, palapit na si Rael.
Solid run for Dylan.
Riding for right speed.
Hindi pwede mag-relax si Dylan dito.
Rael Buok. Nasa likuran na
Gekale.
Dylan Fabian.
Buok! So si Buok pala ang mahabol kay Dylan Fabian on the second position.
And EJ Kulot. Pilote and Sumande. Ay, ba lang na-prepare kasi Sumande.
Subukan natin kilalanin yung nasa linya ngayon. That's Fabian first. 23, Buok. Aujero, Kulot. That's third position.
Okay, Mitch.
Yel Beliote, fourth.
Okay, si Mitch Parano.
Jazz Grana, fifth.
Okay.
233, sino? Caldea. Dylan pa rin. 23 trying to snatch Dylan from the inner line. Ako, pag inner line, medyo sugal yan eh. It's a slow line.
Okay, white flag.
Kaya lang, safety lang siya.
Riders for
Dylan.
beginner production. So, pro open one.
Alright, white flag na po
Pro
tayo.
one, please prepare. Proceed now to the waiting area.
Dylan pa rin. Followed by number 23. Second. Kulot. Third. Oh, no. Is that Kulot on the second position?
Kabawat Sare.
Dylan.
Okay, middle weight, no? Isang itik na lang para sa 65.
Solid naman luminya ni Dylan.
Beginner.
Beginner production.
Okay, for the beginner production, you have 5 laps. Beginner production, 5 laps. And then pro one will follow.
White flag is up.
Pro one, you're gonna proceed to the waiting area. All pro one riders to the waiting area.
Alright. Final lap.
Okay, qualified for the beginner production. Samson,
Dylan pa rin
CJ,
nangunguna.
Tuwa, Boy, Checker flag. Okay, for Dylan Fabian.
Checker flag, Dylan.
Radspeed,
Buok,
That's right,
second.
Buok riding for Radspeed.
Third,
Sister Racing.
Kulot.
And we have EJ Kulot for third. And fourth, we have
Fourth. Medyo malayang fourth. So Dylan, then Buok,
Beliote.
Then, Aujero. Fourth, Bilyote.
Okay, top.
Fifth, 233.
Salvia got the fifth.
Hindi natin ma-identify.